Hi guys, sorry. Welcome back to part 2 of making my slime. Well, yeah. I was making my slime and then my sister just came in and took the glue, but then I was like left with nothing. I was just left with borax and water. So, and I've been mixing and then it became like this gooey stuff. Ew. And I'm still mixing, I'm not giving up. I'm trying to make it. I think it's gonna turn into a bouncy ball because that's what happened to me last time. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. Okay. No. Oh my god. It's like pure bouncy ball fiber stuff, whatever it's called. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Well, I don't know what to say. I guess I just have to start kneading with my hands. There's nothing you need actually. There's just this bouncy ball thing. So I'm gonna start. Oh, and of course I have to take off my twisty pads. It's a llama, it's called Lulu Llama. Okay, I'm gonna start whipping everything off. Okay, let me get the fork spoon. I'm not sure if you guys really see that much. There. Okay, that'd be good. So, okay, sorry. Wait, that bottle's in the way. That bottle's in the way. Okay. Why is it not working? Wait, maybe I'll put it in this bottle. It's straighter. Didn't even see anything. I'm gonna move the water out of the way and let's start. Okay, I got everything I think. I got bouncy ball fiber. I'm gonna go play with it outside. You'll have to come with me. I'm gonna first just make you a bouncy ball. And I think I'm gonna put more borax so it becomes like, you know, harder and oh my god, look guys, look. Wait. Because I need to put it right here. I'm doing it right here on the floor. Ah! No, it fell. The floor is gonna be all glued. So I'm gonna put more borax. Someone close it. Or that was me, I don't know. What happened to the... Wait. I don't know. Well, you know what? It's even better. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Oh, it's actually kind of dry. Well, guys, let's go outside. So, I'm gonna clean this up later. It actually doesn't like leave glue on my hand, like glue. Nothing. So, yeah, I'm gonna take the phone outside. Yes, Mom?